Welcome to this video where we're going to talk about how to use the massage gun on the calf muscle. We'll take you through which attachment to use, the setting to put it on and how long for, and importantly, really where to target on the calf muscle. We've got a link to our resource page in the description below, so check it out just to find out which products we would recommend. My name's Claire, I'm a physiotherapist from PhysioFit Health. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep updated with our videos. So using the massage gun on the calf, I would suggest that you get yourself sitting down kind of in long sitting, so legs out straight or with the knees slightly bent, and it just gives you a little bit of better access really for the calf muscle. The attachment, there are actually two that I would suggest. One of them is the round head attachment, which is great for just distributing the pressure over a wider area. So it can just make you feel a little bit more comfortable with that rounder attachment. So the other attachment that you could choose is the one that's a little bit more pointy, a little bit similar to a thumb. Now, I'd get you using this thumb attachment if you want a little bit more targeted pressure in a certain area. So if you try the round head and you just find that it doesn't quite get into the muscle as deep as you would like to, then change it to this one, which mimics the thumb, and you might find that you can get just a little bit more pressure through with that one. The setting that you put the massage gun on it is really a little bit of a personal preference. I'd probably put it on about 8 to 10. So the speeds that I've got with this massage gun are 1 to 20. So put it about halfway. If you want to just a little bit less intense, then you're going to reduce the numbers. And if you want to increase that intensity, you're going to increase the numbers. So try it out and then you can just play around a little bit with those numbers. Where you are going to target with your massage gun does really depend a little bit on where is feeling tight. Now, as a general rule, making a lot of assumptions, on the outside part of the calf, that's where tends to get the tightest. Stretches, the calf stretches that people generally do, that's going to target the muscles at the back of the calf. And I do tend to find that it doesn't get so tight on the inside part. But try the massage gun just in different areas just to see what you find yourself, but certainly I generally go on the outside part. So you'd get the gun, you'd put it nearly at the top of the calf, just a little bit under the knee, and then you can move the gun down and all the way up, and you can even just stay in one area if you do find an area that's a little bit tight. Now, I'd get you to do this for a minute, maybe a couple of minutes, and then that's it, I'd move on to the other side. Very importantly, you're going to stop if you are getting any pain using the massage gun. So no pain, it's more of a massage and a muscle tension release. If you've worked on the calf muscle, a really good addition would be to work on the foot as well. So calf and foot generally tend to go together in my book. If you check out our video, we've got another video on how to use the massage gun on the foot. So try that out as well, just to really make sure that that lower limb is nice and released with the massage gun. If you check out the description below, we have information on the products that we would suggest and recommend, so check it out. If you are confused in any way, then please book yourself an online physio appointment. We can have a chat and talk about your own circumstances, and then we can help you figure out what you need to do going forwards. See you soon.